Big Bear Lake is a beautiful mountain village above Los Angeles. It's only a 2-hour drive from Monterey Park. This is a beautiful scenic drive. We took a lot of photos of the mountains on our drive up. There are a lot of places that you can stop to take pictures. Look for signs that say turn out or scenic point or vista point. These are places built just for people to pull over and to take photos. The Marina Riviera is an affordable hotel right next to the lake. It has a warm lounge and comfortable rooms. The rooms come with a view of the lake. The lake is about 7 miles long and about 1 mile at its widest point. In the summertime, there are kayaks and boat rides. There is fishing year-round. There are bike trails that go around the entire lake. It's walking distance from the village. If you would like to make a travel video with me and post that video on YouTube, message me at my Facebook page. I put the link below. The village is very colorful at night. The village has a lot of gift shops, clothing stores, restaurants, and bars. We ate at Teddy Bear's for breakfast. Teddy Bear's has very good coffee and a large selection of food. We had omelets. There's a lot of fun things around the village that you could take photos on. Alpine Slide is a very fun amusement park. They have a lot of games and rides. We put links to all the locations in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to learn English and for more travel ideas.